Namaste students. Welcome to EVS class. In the last class, we started our second chapter. The name of our chapter is The Leaf Too Has to Say. We know the different parts of a plant. The parts of the plants that usually grows below the ground is called root system. The parts of the plants that usually grows above the ground is called the shoot system. The shoot system has a stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Right? When we think about leaves, we need to know what is venation. Venation is an arrangement or system of veins in a leaf. If we observe the shape and size of leaves, we can see that their veins have certain peculiarities. To learn more about venation, we can do a simple activity. You can take some leaves like mango tree leaf, jackfruit tree leaf, coconut leaf and bamboo leaf. Then you just try to tear it into several long pieces downward to the tip. Now, can you say, could you tear all the leaves easily without breaking them? Yes, you are right. We cannot tear all the leaves easily without breaking them. Now check, which of those leaves could you tear into long pieces and which of those leaves could not tear into long pieces? And write down your findings. Now, look at the mango leaf. The main vein in the middle of the leaf, starting from the leaf stalk to its tip. Did you notice many small branches arising from the main vein, connected to one another like a network? Yes, you are right. The network-like venation in leaves is called reticulate venation. In coconut or bamboo leaves, the veins do not touch one another. Starting from the leaf stalk, they run parallel and join at the tip of the leaf. The parallel arrangement of veins in leaves is called parallel venation. After completing the activity, we will understand the difference between the reticulate venation and parallel venation. Okay, children? Hope you understand our topic. A simple activity for you. Now, you can do a simple activity as homework. Write down the names of plants with reticulate venation and with parallel venation. Do your work very well. See you in the next class. Thank you.